Now we are going to learn the Hangul, which means the Korean alphabet. So as you know, there are 24 Korean letters or 24 Hangul. We'll begin with learning the consonants. So as you have learned that there are 14 consonants, so we'll begin with the first one. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is the first letter of Hangul. So we'll call it G sound. Okay, it's somewhat like between G and G. Okay, but not strong G and not strong G. Okay, it's G sound. Kada, kada, to go. Kada. So kada, which means to go. So this is the first letter. Okay, we'll call it G sound or G sound. We'll first see the stroke order. Okay, so this is the one and this is the two. One and two. That's it. It's easy, right? So just remember, we'll do this one and two. One and two. It's K. Okay. So first is done. Now the next one. So this one is the second letter of Hangul. So this we call N. What do we call it? N sound. Now let's see what is the stroke order of N. We'll write it like this. 1 and 2. That's it. 1 and 2. So we have learned G, N. Now let's see the second one. So this is the sound. We'll call it the. So as depends on the word, we put stress on it. So we'll call it sometimes the, but not strongly the. Okay, so just remember it's between the and the. Okay, so basically we call it the sound. Tanida, to go. So we'll write it like this is one and then this is two. That's it. One and two. One and two. Okay. So just remember we have to put first stroke and then the next stroke. That's it. This is the for you. G, na, the. And then we look at the next consonant of Hangul. That is L for you. So basically we call it L and also R. So in Korean what happens is they have a problem of pronunciation of R sound. So we call it Ramyeon and they'll call it Lamyeon. Okay. So as depends on the word, we pronounce this letter as R or L. Now let's see what is its stroke order. This is 1 and then this is 2 and then this is 3. Easy, right? 1, 2 and 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2 and 3. Let's do it one more time. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3. That's it. Okay. Now you have learned 4 consonants till now. That is G, N, D, L or G, N, D, L or R. Remember that. Now let's see the next consonant. That is M for you. So we'll write it as 1, 2, and 3. This is basically like a box. Okay. So this is 1, 2, and 3. G, N, D, L, M. Let's practice it again. 1, 2, and 3. G, N, D, L, M. So till now you have learnt G, N, D, L or R and M. 5 consonants.